Hello guys, welcome to another video, Tech Therapy Guy. Today I'm going to show you how to use emojis in your Windows 10 and your documents browser when you when you upload a video in YouTube and you want to use emojis. Even when you put your comments in YouTube videos, um, Windows has these emojis that you can use. The way that we use gonna type the logo Windows and a semicolon, and like you guys see right here, it opens the emojis. All these emojis can be used in anywhere in Windows 10 or any browser or documents. um, let's open a Word documents, and we type in here, but we want to put an emoji. Like I said, we use the logo and the semicolon, and now we have the emojis here, and you can put anything you want. And they have your recent ones. They have all the same emoji that you have in your phone and your mobile phone or in your laptop. They all right here. You can usually use it too in the browser. Let's see, if you open a new browser and you want to use emojis here, you can use emojis here right here too. And like I said, you can put it anywhere. You're watching a YouTube video, you put a comment, they're all right here too. So they're really easy to use. We just have to remember what to use, what to put when we open the emojis. Remember, it's the logo and the semicolon, and opens the menu. We have those two that we can actually use with keyboard, and we have those symbols too right here. Alrighty, I hope you guys like this video, and hope you subscribe and like my video. Leave a comment, and leave a comment with the emojis. Let's see if you guys remember how to use it, and you guys can use it quite a bit. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys soon. Thank you.